Hey guys, Mr. B here again, bringing a sweet, wicked, awesome math video. This is a quick little video on taking the derivative of y is equal to the square root of x. So, if you just watched my video on the power rule, taking the derivative of a radical that has a radicand, so what's underneath the root sign or the radical sign, as just x, is basically just the power rule. Well, not basically, it is the power rule. So let's start this with looking at, we got the derivative of y is equal to root x. Well, when we go to take the derivative of any radical, we have to remember that a radical is just an exponent, a fractional exponent. So I'm going to rewrite this as x to the 1 over 2. And now, in this form, we can use our power rule. So for those of you who might not have watched the last video, the power rule basically is, and my head's probably going to get in the way, it's you take the exponent down in front and you end up subtracting off 1 from your exponent. So how we're going to do this is I'm just going to rewrite this radical as x to the 1/2. So this 1/2 drops down in front just like that, and then we minus 1 from the exponent. So really not that complicated. And I should put, now it's a derivative. So I'll simplify that. So 1/2 in front, x, and then we do 1/2 minus 1, so that's negative 1 over 2. So again, one of the rules that we avail of in calculus is we don't leave fractional exponents, we don't leave negative exponents. So what we need to do, we need to drop that x to the denominator with the 2, and then make the exponent positive, 1/2. And then we can rewrite that 1 over 2 as a root again. So we end up with 1 all over 2 root x. So there it is, quick and dirty, the derivative of the square root of x. We can apply that to any radical that has a radicand of just x. Alright guys, you know what to do. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you guys in class. Peace.